Hey guys, we're back with another PPF installation on the Tesla Model Y, and today's installation is for the middle hatch piece. So we already did the bottom, last week we did the top, so now we're gonna do the middle piece, and we're gonna get right into that. We're gonna get halfway down. Slip solution. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the bottom. All right then guys, so that's it for the the middle hatch piece that we did. Thank you guys so much for stopping by on this video installation. Stay tuned for more. We got a lot more still left on the Model Y, and hopefully we could do more again in the future on future cars. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thanks for this install. Stay tuned for more future products as well, and thank you guys for the support. Later guys.